God, guys. It's actually so cold out. Look at that. It just snowed real bad over here in Michigan. I'm gonna show you guys the temps on this car. It's actually so bad. Hold on one sec. Look at that. 12 degrees is the temperature of my oil and transmission. Just to show you guys how cold it is. I think right now it's like a solid maybe like 8 degrees outside right now. I'm surprised this thing even turned on. Oh my god, what the fuck. So we just got all the cars turned on. This is the GLE 43 that we have. This is from my stepmom. We just got that turned on. This is the spare car in the house, the VW that we just drive. And then over here we have the classic Nissan from my dad. And then the Maserati over here just chilling. Both of these are here. Oh man, it is actually so cold outside. And now I'm about to check on this thing because it's been running for about like 15-20 minutes. Hopefully the temperatures are a bit warmer. And yeah, they are. So the oil's at 111 and the transmission's at 48. Transmission in general takes a minute to warm up, but at least it's getting better. So finally we're in the car, we're driving, as you guys can see. Let me just show you guys the temperatures real quick. That is actually horrible, man. It's so damn cold out. And then over here, 12 degrees, literally 12 degrees outside. But anyway, so while the transmission warms up and the car just warms up in general, I'm just gonna tell you guys everything I have done to this car. Because I know a lot of you guys are interested. Everyone asks me what's done to it and why'd you get this over the 63 and blah, blah, blah. The main reason is obviously because of the snow, all right? You guys see all the snow everywhere. A 63 would not last in any of this weather. And when I say 63, I'm talking about the C. The E obviously would, it's all-wheel drive, but the C63, which is the bigger brother of this car, would literally be just going nowhere, literally. So hopping on the main roads now, it's actually not too bad. The city did pretty well cleaning up over here. But I'm gonna try going to like an abandoned parking lot maybe, and then seeing how this thing actually performs with deeper parts of snow. Try to maybe actually do some donuts, but we'll see if I can do some. But yeah, like I said, I've had this car for a while now, and then in the snow, this thing really has never given me any issues. Like I've never really gotten stuck anywhere with it. But I mean, honestly, like what more can I say overall? I mean, a lot of people say that Audi and Quattro system is really like the best in terms of all-wheel drive, especially when it comes to snow. And honestly, I really can't say and stand by that just because I've never been in an Audi in terms of it being in the snow and seeing how it performs for myself. So, I mean, I guess. But 4MATIC is just as good from what I've seen. And this is not even 4MATIC Plus. But again, I've had this car for about 3 years, going on 4 now. And never really gotten stuck in snow. I've slid a few times, but I mean, literally anything on ice will slide. But in terms of having issues when it comes to driving it in the snow, or you know, getting caught in a snowstorm or whatever, this thing works perfectly fine. And what's even better is you can just flick this up twice, and there's actually a slippery mode, as you guys can see. And literally, whenever it snows out, you can just put it in that mode and just drive the car perfectly fine. That way, the car adjusts to the weather outside, and it drives, again, pretty solid. One thing I really want to do now is actually find somewhere that's empty, because I really want to do donuts, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't done donuts in this thing in a while since it snowed, and why not do it now? So I'm gonna find like a abandoned parking lot, or just somewhere that looks like it's not in use, and somewhere low-key, because I don't want any cops coming or giving me a headache about doing donuts or what am I doing on this property or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can find, and I'll be right back with you guys. Bro, look how perfect the spot is on. Let me turn on my hazards. There's like no one here. I'm gonna spin the shit out of this car over here. Oh my god. I don't even know how I found this place. This is actually like perfect. Hold on one sec. Bro, look at this. Oh my god, there's literally like no one around. Oh, there's a house there, but bro, what do you guys think? Should I spin it here? Oh my god, this needs like a severe detail. What the fuck? Alright, I think I'm gonna, since I don't have someone else with me, I think I'm gonna put the camera like right there up on that pole, and then try spinning it a little bit here in this area. But I don't know, we'll see how this goes. All right, now I don't know how good that was. I mean, in person, it definitely sounded, or not even sounded, it just definitely was fun. I don't know how good the camera angle caught that, but man, that was so fun. I really wish I had a second person with me to record, but I did what I could, but that was just so fun. Now, obviously, when you do that, make sure you have traction control off completely, so that way you can literally just slide it, and then put it in Sport Plus. Make sure your temperatures are warm, and just have fun, man. But also, one thing I do want to mention though about this car that most all-wheel drive cars don't have is that the power transfer. So the rear, I believe, is 70% of the power goes to the back, and then 30% of the power goes to the front. So it kind of, I guess, makes it rear-wheel drive biased. So it makes it even easier to spin. But man, that was so fun. I honestly haven't done that in so long. But I think that's pretty much gonna be it with me yapping. And then I'm just gonna drive and show you guys what it's like to drive this thing in the snow. my car absolutely looks so filthy. There's salt everywhere. This thing is like the biggest detail ever. But as always, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. If you guys are new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys enjoy the content and all that good stuff. But see you guys in the next one.